So good morning, you guys. I am about to do an unboxing video because I received my inventory that I was telling you guys about, but I ordered more items because I was running out of stock on a lot of things. So I think I purchased about, I think it's about 600. I'm not sure how much is it, but I ordered a lot of inventory. This is all the boxes. I opened up the few because I needed to ship off some of my orders. So yeah, these are the boxes so far. I have a few more that's coming on Wednesday. Mostly, I'm not gonna open up these right here because these are my base when I make my shower gels. I think I ordered about 3 or 4. I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what did I order, and Wednesday hopefully I might show you guys what else did I order if it comes. I mean, it is coming Wednesday, but it's really soap based, matter of fact, that I ordered on Wednesday, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I ordered. These are more of my 16 ounces right here that I ordered for my business, but I haven't uploaded them yet, so yeah. And I ordered some more sealers to put on my bottles because I wanna protect them and stuff like that. And then I ordered some more body wash stuff. And then I got more tops. These are all the tops. I think in total I ordered about, oh, something is leaking. I got more, these are all 8 ounces right here that I got. And let me see what's in the other box that I got. Like, these boxes are very, very big. Oh my God. These boxes are so huge. So I got more 8 ounces right here. And then I got more 8 ounces right here. I ordered a lot of 8 ounces because now I noticed that my business items are going pretty fast. So I just went ahead and ordered so much items. What are these? 16 ounces. I did not know I ordered 16 ounces bottles like this. I didn't know that. So let me show you guys. So these are the 16 ounces right here. I did not know I ordered this shape of bottles for my 16 ounces. I did not know that. So I got about 12, but the reason I got them anyways because they were on sale on the website, so I just went ahead and ordered some more. I got more 4 ounces here, so I probably ordered 2 of these. I didn't even know that. So I got more 4 ounces for my body butters because I did launch about 6 different type of body butter scents, I believe. So yeah. And these are all, mostly these 2 boxes right here is a lot of bottles because I had to order a lot of bottles because I was just ordering little by little, but since I made since I had a lot of sales in the beginning of January, I was like, let me just go ahead and give me a lot of inventory. And these are my 4 ounces right here. Let me open them up to show you guys because some people don't know how it looks, but I do have it on my website. So this is it right here, my 4 ounce right here. It's real small. This is like a travel size a travel size bottle. So yeah, a lot of people like to order that. If they haven't ever ordered from my website, a lot of people like to just order that first, and then I'll see my repeated customers, they'll go ahead and order an 8 ounce. I guess that's to try it out. I guess so. But I really got it was for people that travel, because you know you can't be traveling with big bottles, so I just went ahead and just got that. I'm gonna bring the camera over there so I can see what else that I get because I need to put these back on top. I cannot put my inventory away soon because, right now, because I don't have no space in my garage. So my boyfriend got me a bigger storage unit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything out that's in my garage and just make everything about my business because right now I don't feel like I need to go get me lease a place right now. So, and I don't need to anyway. So I got my garage, it's really big enough. So I'm just gonna take everything out and then make it my business. That's why I need to make space in my garage, which is gonna be another video for that, but not today. And these are more 8 ounces. Oh, I don't know how to put it back in here, you guys. Oh no, I shouldn't have took it out. Oh, because it gotta fit right back on top.